2, 1.
Good morning. Today is December 23rd, 2016. This is WAG Chicago, showing you the magnetic field of the Earth. If you look here, the sun is off to the right side. There's two boxes here. The one on the right here shows the wind direction. The one on the left is showing you the currents behind the sun, or behind the Earth. This is the Earth right here, this little circle. The sun is over here. So you see the red line, that's the energy hitting the Earth's magnetic field. These red lines are not normal. You also see these black lines moving up and down, and then I believe they start to ground out. This is from last night around midnight Chicago time. Look at how crazy these lines are moving. It should be a nice stream going behind here. None of this. Over here is the wind. And you can start to see behind the Earth, which is over here on the left side. See these arrows? They're starting to turn towards the Earth. They should all be pointing to the left. The sun is over there in the yellow section, moving left. Now we're seeing wind turning around and now heading back to the Earth, head on into the sun's actual wind speed. The sun is running around just under 700 kilometers per second. I believe that's almost 1.5 million miles per hour. That's because there's a coronal hole on the sun right now that's getting larger day by day recently. So that is now affecting the speed. Anyways, this shouldn't be here where you see these arrows pointing back to the Earth. Now I'm going to show you the current condition right here. Oh, that's so, hang on. Where'd it go? This is 0600. That was last night. Where'd my current one go? I had it set up for you. I apologize about this. I'm gonna have to do it manually here. I don't know why it went away. So we will do it live. Here we go. This is a live right now. So it's 2 o'clock Chicago time. I believe just past 2 o'clock, 2:12. Here you see on here, there's no more of the red line. So it did calm down a little bit. You do still see some of this red up in the front. So something was hitting this last night. It seems to come in these waves. And if everybody probably has heard by now, by the 26th, we're supposed to be getting that big impulse or pulse wave coming of light. Some are saying it's from quasar. It depends on which theory you listen to, but whatever it is, we got hit in 2004. It was bright enough that the light reflected off the moon and lit up the entire planet Earth for like a tenth of a second or whatever. All that, I believe, was just in the X-ray band range, so you wouldn't have seen it with your own eyes. But anyways, that wave part 2 is coming. I guess it comes in 5 waves. And it looks like it's on a 12-year to the day schedule. So 2004, December 27th, I believe it was. And that's also when that 9.2 earthquake, I believe, happened in Indonesia, or Indian Ocean out there, where almost 250,000 people died. Some of these people are saying that the energy from that light was enough to heat the core and cause that earthquake to be so large. That, by the way, didn't even come close to hitting the Earth. It was 2 million miles away. So we got like the edge of the light. Some are saying that this light is coming straight or closer to hitting the Earth this time head on. And I believe the strongest hit we ever took was in 1979, as far as any of our recorded history that we have. It was March, I believe March of 1979 was the biggest recorded hit we ever got from like a quasar from deep space. And I believe this one's 2,000 light years away where this light is coming from. So I just want to show you, last night there was a lot more activity where this was coming in. Now it seems to have calmed down a little bit. And let me see if I have. Yeah, here's the heliopod. I want to show you this while we're online. This is another phenomenon that's going on. These are the graphs that watch for earthquakes and show you the strength. And these are not earthquakes. So here you look at Japan, Australia. Um, Now, about a week ago, this started happening, but not on every graph. It would be under Wisconsin and maybe Denver or something like that. Now you're seeing it across the board, coast to coast and internationally. So something is ringing like a bell is the only way I could put it. Here's Hawaii. This would be a huge earthquake if that was an earthquake, but it's not. And there's no explanation that I can find of what is causing this, nor not many people are talking about this. So I'm just going to scroll through here. Um, this is pretty interesting. Let me get into the United States here. Here's Indiana, Tennessee. And if you look at the states that are near each other, the pattern is almost the same. Uh, you'll see the little diamond here, little diamond there, the straight up and down shot here, straight up and down here. Um, Nobody is saying what this is. As I've told you before, I'm just an observer. I don't know anything. I just see things and try to let all the puzzle pieces kind of jumble together and hopefully we figure something out together. But there's Kansas, North Carolina, Virginia. So something's rocking and rolling under the ground. It's making all these helipods go crazy. So now it's on a daily basis. So this is from yesterday. Um, if anybody knows what this is, you probably need a scientist to figure this out. But they're not saying anything. So that's one reason I'm a little concerned about it. I'm not the only one who's reporting on this. Look at this: Nebraska, Mississippi, Washington, South Carolina. See how they're all pretty similar. Whatever this vibration is, look at the line going here, the straight up and down. These you could almost lay on top of each other and they would look the same. Here, look at this in Montana. I've never seen earthquake data that would show all these waves. It looks like almost like a painting of some sort. But whatever this is, some of them will be even completely black. The needle's going up and down so fast it colors the whole page. And so, anyways, that's an update for now. Hope everybody has a Merry Christmas. I apologize for the choppiness on my screen here. I'm still new at this. Uh, Eventually, I'll get this down. But for now, Merry Christmas. Everybody be safe out there. We're expecting a little bit of snow today. And if you got your colloidal silver, you might need it. A lot of people are getting this cold that's going around. I just started fighting it off. So make sure you take care of yourself. Everybody have a great holiday. This is WAG Chicago 1042.